Hello G, welcome to Code with Sultan and I'm your host and your teacher for this channel. So आज we're gonna do control structure. Okay. So what is included in control structure? There are two main things. First is the conditions on which your code is to be executed. The second thing is loops. Okay. First I'm gonna start with conditions. The thing is conditions include if, else statements or switch cases. Now what are these? Let's say my mother sends me to the market to buy some chocolates. Okay. And her favorite chocolate is dark chocolate or dairy milk or anything else. She says, son, I want you to find dairy milk. If you do not find dairy milk, get me um, Hershey's. Okay. Not a sponsored video. Okay. All right. I'm just trying to clear your concepts. If you don't find dairy milk, find me Hershey's. If you don't get, if, else, if you find, get me dairy milk, else get me Hershey's. Do you understand? So that is the basic if else thing in concept. Talk about switch cases. Switch case says, uh, I'll give you something and I want you to compare it to the other things. Okay, I get this cap of the marker. Cap cases will be defined according to the things you compare it to. If you find blue, the case is I got a cap. The next case is I find it blue. Then it belongs to the blue marker. Then it belongs to the blue marker. If, or sorry, next case that is possible, the cap case and the cap is black, just like in this case. So it belongs to the black marker, right? So if you're given with a value, compare it to the other values. If your value, if your thing is equal to blue, then it belongs to the blue marker. If it is black, then it belongs to the black marker. But if you run this, it's gonna give you error. Why? There always has to be a default case. What does the default case say? If all the things that you compare it to are not true, then what should be executed? Then what to do? Like in this case, if it does not belong to the blue or black marker, then it belongs to any marker that is available. In terms of code, what should I say? If bracket, the example was of chocolate, right? I'll switch it to candy because chocolate is too long to write. Candy is equal to dairy milk bracket. If candy is equal to dairy milk, then see out found bracket close. I'm sorry. The two brackets can never be equally drawn, okay? Bear with it. Else, see out Hershey's. So the thing is, if the candy is dairy milk, I found it. If it else, if I did not find it, give me Hershey's. That's it. Okay? Let's suppose there is a case a student, any student, gets up, sir, even if Hershey's is not found, then what if I did not find it? Else if candy is equal to Hershey's, see out why the found. Okay, I'm not writing the whole shit. Let's say I did not even find the Hershey's. Then what? Then you have to write only the else. See out not found. Do you understand this? If yes, please like and comment. If you have a problem, comment and tell me what the problem you're finding so I can clear your concepts. The thing is, my mother told me a task: go and fetch the candy, get dairy milk. If you find dairy milk, get me that dairy milk. If you do not find it, get me Hershey's. If you find dairy milk, get me dairy milk. If you find Hershey's, get me Hershey's. If you don't find both, not found. Okay, so I hope the conditionals are clear. The next thing, the condition statements are clear. I'm not going to discuss the switch cases because they're not used too often, even though they're simple, but I just don't like them.